Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing so well. So for today's video, I am so nervous for. This is very impulsive. I'm a very impulsive person. When I can't get something out of my head, I have to do it. So you can tell by the title, I'm going to be cutting my own bangs today. So I've been thinking about doing this for so long, but I've just been so scared because I'm like, oh, what if I regret it? What if I don't like it? But I probably will regret it. Two, I'll probably ruin it in the process, but hey, this is a risk I'm willing to take. I'm so bored of my hair. It's at like this really ugly length that I personally don't like. It's just not above my shoulders, but it's not completely under my shoulders. It's flat, it's got no style to it, so I just need something different. I also thought to myself, because I am trialing Sugar Bear hair, to see if it actually does grow your hair faster as it claims to do. I thought if I do cut it and Sugar Bear hair does work, then it'll just grow out really quick. So if you guys want to see how I cut my bangs, please keep watching, and fingers crossed I don't fuck up my own hair.
God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, like, no. I finesse down Western Road.
So for this, all you really need is a tail comb and a pair of hairdressing scissors. I still have mine from my hairdressing days. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually a qualified hairdresser. I did my certificate 3 in hairdressing 7 years ago. So I am qualified to do this, but just because I'm qualified does not mean I'm good at it. I used to be really good at hair cutting. I used to love cutting people's hair, but I just haven't done it in so long. But I still kind of know what I'm doing. So generally when hairdressers cut hair, it's usually wet, but I prefer to do mine dry because I'll see exactly how the hair will sit. And when it is wet, like you'll cut it maybe up to here, but once it dries, it does shrink, so it might end up being like up to there. So I prefer to do mine while it's dry. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my tail comb and I'm going to section off like a little triangle in the front. So just like that. Now I'm not going to cut an overly thick fringe. I really want like a really light wispy kind of looking fringe. So that's all I'm gonna grab. I might actually add some other bits later on, but for now, I'm going to keep just a little triangle. So I don't want to cut them too short. Like I want them to sit kind of where my lashes are, so kind of hanging over my eyes. I want like the thicker type of bangs. So I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it here for now. Oh my God, my hands are shaking. I can't stand still. One, I did it. Ooh, hey, I actually don't mind that at all. I do though, I don't want it to be like a straight fringe, so I am going to just chip into the ends. I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to like chip into the ends to give them really wispy, to give me like a really wispy look. I do want some longer bits on the sides. So let me just, I'll do it just a little bit thicker. I'm just gonna cut the long pieces of hair. Oh my God, stop it. I actually like it. Okay. So now with these parts, I'm literally just gonna chip in. But kind of have it going short to long. Do you know how I used to have my fringe in high school? I used to do this. This used to be my bangs in high school. Dead. I'm just gonna continue to chip into it. Sorry if I'm a bit silent, I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, I just need to tie up a bit of my hair for a second because it's getting in my way. Hey, I kind of like this look. Alright, I've got my hair straightener here and I'm just gonna straighten it. So this is it. I cut my own bangs. I actually love it. I thought I was gonna hate it. I hated it with my hair down because my hair is just, it's being really weird at the moment. I should probably turn that hair straightener off before I burn my studio off. Down. Anyway, it does need a little bit of work. I've just gotta train some hair pieces to sit flat, like these bits here that keep going over here. I've gotta train them to kind of sit this way, and once they do, once it kind of sits right, I probably will kind of tweak it a little bit more. Like I might trim little pieces because since these pieces aren't staying down here, I didn't want to cut them too short so like it's long enough to stay on the side. But once it does like fully sit in the middle, I probably will trim it. I mean, I love it. I feel like my hair has a little bit of flavor now. I love it right now. I may regret it in a week, maybe even tomorrow. Once it gets in my way at the gym. Stop, high school Heidi. Stop it. I used to have my fringe like this in high school, except it used to literally go all the way this way. Stop, I look like high school Heidi. I can't, no, I can't. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd like to add a little disclaimer because I didn't do it at the start. If you don't know what you're doing, or if you're really unsure, don't do this at home, but I know you're probably gonna do it, which is probably why you're watching this video in the first place. Best advice I can give you is definitely don't cut too much at the start. Just cut a little bit and then I guess play with it, straighten it, and then cut a little bit more if you feel like you need to. If you're unsure, just leave it until the next day when it settles a little bit, and then I guess tweak it to how you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed this last minute spontaneous video. Not too sure how it turned out or if it even turned out right. My hair is so fuzzy at the back, girl. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you like my bangs. I will not get upset if you do not like them. I can take constructive criticism. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Also be sure to press my little notification button to be notified when I do upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.